They're not competing, they're collaborating, in fact.
We spoke of the community model, right? And you said they also compete and they grow. Now, we know medicine, to enter into any of healthcare or allied healthcare professions, you go through a cutthroat entrance exam again and again at every step. And so we are very used to, competing in a cutthroat way and then bringing a kind of a community angle. Well, one thing, of course, you mentioned that you feel you're not alone in this journey, but then there's also that feeling that, oh, if I'm doing something, I shouldn't tell them. We used to always face this about people getting notes from somewhere or things like that and trying to keep it within their close circle. So, when we talk of a very niche community, right, like, patient communities thrive very well because people are not alone, they all need support, etc. Here it's a twofold problem, right? One is you have to convince them, these all experts in their own field, that you need support. And two is that you will thrive in a community rather than that community will help somebody will poach your patients, or if you do the same thing as somebody else, then it becomes repetitive or you lose your niche. So how do you balance that? It's a very tricky situation.
It's not at all tricky, believe me. Everybody has their own superpower,
Okay.
right? And I'll just give you an example of another orthopedic surgeon,
Okay.
right? So he's just joining the program now, but he's basically the first orthopedic surgeon's friend,
Okay.
right? And they studied together and all of that, right? But their positioning is so totally different, right? So the second orthopedic surgeon, he's more like a maverick, right? And he's more like a rebel who wants to think very different, and and he studied abroad, and he wants to bring all of that to central India, where there are not too many advancements happening, maybe, and he's very fond of traveling, so we decided, okay, so you can do your reels while traveling, and you can use maybe some nature's like some leaves or rocks and things like that as props, and discuss about concepts in orthopedics or bone health and all of that, right? It's a very completely different positioning. They're not competing, right? And he's talking about general bone health and things like that, and he's interested in more of fracture, fixing fractures and all of that, the latest in that. So they're not competing, they're collaborating, in fact, right? So, and even when it comes to the other thing is, people ask me, you have doctors as well as other wellness experts and all of that, how can they be on the same platform? Don't you need two programs and all of that? But I always feel like they're all working towards a common goal, towards creating value for patients and getting outcomes for patients and all of that, and they do learn from each other, right? And in real life also they collaborate with each other. Okay, so for example, if there's a diabetologist or an endocrinologist, there's a nutritionist, they can collaborate with the nutritionist or the physiotherapist or the psychologist, or for orthopedic surgeons, suddenly this person suddenly thought about collaborating with a physiotherapist, right? So things like that do happen, right? And it's all adding value to each other. There is this beautiful concept called murmuration. I don't know if you know about these birds. They fly in certain patterns, right? Sometimes, and they move from one destination, one place to another. Okay, the migratory pattern and all of that. And the way they fly, basically, there's a very scientific reasoning behind it. Basically, they fly in such a pattern that the air resistance is less for the next bird. Okay, so it's so beautiful. And even just 1 degree shift of the wing, the other bird also shifts, right? So I have this big vision that one day I'm able to create a community where this murmuration comes into the picture. Okay, and they all are flying towards one destination, towards creating making a big impact in healthcare. They're solving problems together, and it's beautiful, right? So they're all collaborating. It may be very it may sound very like impossible to do, but I feel it's possible. And when people become more aligned with themselves, then they stop thinking about what he's doing or what she's doing, and they focus on what I can do, right? So I feel like it's all going to create that big impact in healthcare that I've always wanted to create. My big vision. That's what I'm thinking of.
Nice. It takes us to those childhood fables where we heard of proverbs like birds of the same feather flock together.
Yeah.
And you beautifully put it in that way where, you know, all of them are health and wellness experts. All of them are going to that common goal of impacting healthcare, doing better patient care and working in that direction. And I don't think any dream is big or small. I mean, you are the one who's making all these experts dream big. So I'm sure healthcare heroes will get bigger and bigger with time to come.